All right, Dujuan Richards is back on the pitch. Finally, a post on Instagram that we all football lovers can relate to. And also, TVJ confirmed the Reggae Boyz acquisition of Mason Greenwood. But is it really confirmed? Because for some reason, we kind of know a long time. So welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. I'm gonna sip some water, sis. You're not Jamaican if you never drink juice or water out of a mountain peak instant coffee glass bottle. So ice water with lemon juice and one piece of cucumber, almost ripe cucumber, just a slice. It's the most refreshing water, vitalizing water you can drink. Maybe me can package that and sell it as vitalized water. Probably a touch of salt for the purpose of electrolytes. So you have no sugar. The cucumber get one very, very nice flavor. You get one little subtle, exquisite flavor. Come let me advertise something. But me I tell people, so we do it this morning. So someone made it for a good look a while. Me normally drink like cucumber, like water, regular water with a little bit of cucumber and with a piece of cucumber in it. But so, and then me normally drink regular lime water alone, lemonade water alone, cool. So me say, you know what, this morning me combine it together, put in a bucket, shake it up, and me say, blouse and skirt. Me hit the jackpot. If me could have package this and sell it to athletes, think that make money. So think about the idea. Anyways, welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Really appreciate people. I appreciate it, people who are following the channel from day one. Really appreciate it from the deepest depths of my heart. You guys have definitely made this a family and keep me going. And also, if you just seen the video, if you just joining, really appreciate you just tuning in, taking the 10 or whatever minutes out of your busy day to spend it here and watch this video. Anyways, let's get cracking. Hit the like button, people. Hit the like button. All right, so let's first touch on Dujuan Richards. I don't know if I can find the clip. I'm not gonna find the clip. Anyways, this player is a player where he was out for a long time, ACL, and up to recently I did a video asking the question, where is Dujuan Richards? And we have now finally found our answer. He has returned to the Chelsea U21 setup to further his training or continue his progression or his progress in regards to his footballing career. He was out for over a year due to a ACL injury, but he's back on the pitch right now. And it is beautiful scene. Everybody in the comment section on his IG post saying finally, finally a football post that can make us feel good, make us feel happy that he is back on the pitch. And during the time period, he has missed so much. He has missed players that he was ahead of in the youth setup are now with the first team. So for sure that means that if he was there, continuous progression, playing football, most definitely he would have gotten the opportunity, and knowing the talent that he has, he would have made an impact. So we're really happy that he's back. It's a good thing. Now we can work on, as I said, getting himself in a good position where fitness is concerned, start banging back goals, and then looking to make that big move either to Chelsea first team, because you have to play big man football at some point, either to Chelsea first team or to a club, maybe one of the Chelsea affiliate clubs, to go and progress his career playing versus big man. And if he do well there, come back to Chelsea's first team. But the main aim for him is to hit Chelsea first team. But as it stands, all right, let's move away from that. So big up yourself, Whisper. Happy you're back. work time begin. The real work begin now. Now, Mason Greenwood. If you guys have watched some of my video, I think if you guys are regular in the YouTube space, you know that Mason Greenwood is basically this deal was done. I think me I want to, if you watch a YouTube space, you realize that we know that this was going to happen at some point in time. Now it's officially confirmed by TVJ for most persons, because really and truly, based off the fact that it's TVJ, they have been here longer. Once them said, more persons will believe. Even though people are still saying they're not confident in it as yet until they see him in a jersey. Nothing at all wrong with that. But if you watch a couple of my videos from further back, I dropped a lot of hints in those videos. Even the last video that I did speaking about squad selection, in that video, there was a moment in the video I said, where Mason Greenwood is concerned, it is done. All papers, all documentations are completed. Now, in the TVJ article, it did say that Pika is awaiting on documentation from his mother. From my knowledge, everything, every single thing is done. Every documentation is completed from my knowledge. Nothing wrong with that. So it might be a little bit different. You believe TVJ, no problem. I have no issues with that. None whatsoever. Now, the big question is, when will we see him? I can confirm from my end of the information I've gotten that all documentations are complete. Him have everything. I'm ready to play. I'm ready to go right now. The question is, when will we see him? That's the big question. I can't answer that one. But I got an hint, a small hint. Maybe a few might not like it. I do wish this is not the case, but a few might not like it that as it stands, we are more to see him if the team make it to the World Cup. So the World Cup qualifiers, chance of seeing him, maybe not that high. Maybe not that high. But if the team makes it to the World Cup, that's a guarantee. That's the only guarantee we can say. So technically, it might look for say the team make it to the World Cup. Technically. That's on my head. That's the observation based on what was said to me. That's what I am getting. And as I say again, let me make it clear. I do wish that is not the case, and it's just speculation that and he will be here September. But as it stands, it seems to be when the team qualify for the World Cup. A few people will say, no, what, they're not an issue with that, and you will have persons who will definitely have issues with that. Now, nothing is wrong with the persons who said they have issues with it, and nothing's also wrong with the persons who say they don't have an issue with it at all. So I do believe that will create a bit of divide where conversation are concerned. From my perspective, everyone is entitled to feel how they choose. No problem at all with that. Just keep it respectful. Just keep it respectful, especially in the comment section. Now, it's good to know that the quote-unquote official confirmation would have come in, because, you know, as we say, most of the fans did not take it from the YouTubers, because I say, we chat too much. No problem, if you believe so. I have no issue at all. But you're tuning in. You're tuning in and listening information. But it's a good move. It's a good day for news where Jamaica is concerned. It's a good day for news where Jamaica is concerned. And that's all the update I have to give you guys as it stands. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and tell us what you think in the comment section. I see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We're out. God bless. Boom! Outside! And I mean,